This is absolutely the number one best way to get clients for your social media marketing agency repetitively and consistently. I get questions and comments all the time asking, Jordan, what is the best way to get clients right now? Is it cold emailing? Is it cold calling? Do I gotta go knock on some people's doors? Do I gotta send out thousands of messages on Instagram, Facebook? What do I gotta do? Do I gotta try to get word of mouth, referrals? What is it? And so in this video, guys, I'm gonna share with you how I've been consistently signing up new clients for my agency, been able to grow it from 0 to, I think, where we're at now, about $40,000 per month without running any paid ads, without sending countless cold emails and having to follow up, without doing a bunch of cold calls and getting hung up on and stuttering and hanging up on myself. I used to hang up on myself when I used to cold call back in the day. Never have I ran paid ads to get new clients either. And I think that's one of the things that whenever I tell an agency owner that, they're like, wow, that is different, right? I've literally been able to grow my whole agency without running a single paid ad to get clients. Now, before I jump into this video and share with you how I've been able to grow the agency and what the number one best way is, I just want to give a quick shout out to Microsoft here. They actually just sent me a brand new Surface Laptop Go 2. I'm super excited to use this. It has got the new Windows 11. I got the new color in Sage. It's just a perfect time because I needed a laptop, and this is perfect for you if you are a student, you are an agency owner that it's on the go, hence the name, right? And it's really for people who are looking for something that is lightweight, sleek, minimal, and it's gonna help you work efficiently getting tasks done. And this is perfect for, you know, students or people who work a lot on the computer like myself. So if you are looking for a laptop, guys, make sure you guys check out their brand new line of laptops here, the Surface Laptop Go 2, right? If you haven't already, obviously drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. So when I first started my agency, you know, I reached out to a ton of clients or prospects, messaged them through cold emailing. I did everything, right? Everything they can think of. And in the back end, I was creating these YouTube videos. I created a Facebook profile, a business Facebook profile, just specifically to attract new clients, right? Now, hence, I use the word attract, not chasing clients, right? Because clients are kind of like cats, or prospects are kind of like cats. If you chase after them, they're gonna run away, right? So you want to attract people. And so the best way to get new clients today, right now, that no one ever talks about is actually building your personal brand, right? Because when someone already trusts you, they learn something from you, you got credibility, and they reach out to you, they are already a warm to hot prospect, right? All you gotta do is just build that rapport over a sales call, and boom, you are easily gonna close them, right? So now your closing rate is gonna skyrocket. You don't have to close these prospects on 2 or 3 calls, 4 calls sometimes, and you know, having to send countless follow-up messages, right? So how do you build a personal brand? Well, number one, it takes time, okay? So this is a system that obviously is going to take a little bit of time, but once it is built up, you are going to just consistently get prospects lining up, calling you, scheduling with you, I should say, and wanting to become your client, right? So nowadays, we actually have people calling in and we have to turn some away because we only work with, you know, exclusive amount of clients per area, okay? So we don't take on multiple clients in a single area. So we actually have to turn away potential clients. Now, in order to build personal brand is you got to build that trust with your audience, okay? And how do you do that? You need to be able to give stuff away for free, right? I'm not saying you have to hop on these videos on YouTube, even though that helps a lot. I actually get a lot of new clients, or I have gotten a lot of new clients from my YouTube channel by just creating these videos, sharing my skills, sharing case studies, sharing knowledge with people, right? So if you can give away if you can teach somebody something or your prospect something, you automatically is going to gain their trust, right? You're going to have some more credibility, some more authority. And so as they consume more of your free information that helps them get to where they want to be, they are more likely to become your client, okay? So most of the time, these business owners who go through my content and things like that, right? Obviously, they learn it, they can try it themselves, but at the end of the day, they want to just specialize in what they want to do, right? So example for lawyers, right? They can literally watch my content and use the same exact strategy for themselves, but they still reach out to me and just have me and my team take care of it for them, right? So they don't got to worry about it, and that's the beauty of it. So give out a ton of free information, okay? Now, whether that's through YouTube, making videos like this and just dropping content and just helping your specific niche, or you can create a Facebook profile, LinkedIn profile, Instagram profile, whatever it is. But the key is to gain that trust, gain that credibility, right? Give out free checklists, give out free ebook, right? Some type of content that's gonna help your audience, your specific audience, your specific niche. And the more you give out, the more they consume of it, the more they're gonna trust you and likely become a client or refer somebody, or they're gonna refer somebody that's gonna benefit from your products or services, right? Now, mind you, obviously this is gonna take a little bit of time, but the more content you start dropping, the more people it's gonna join your pipeline. And this is why my VCL system is so effective, right? So before I sucked at sales, I was terrible. I felt like I was wasting money and just a lot of time hopping on these potential calls with prospects and not being able to close, right? So I had a problem closing. I had sucked at sales, and so I had to come up with a strategy, a system to just fix this issue, right? So I implemented my BCL system, and what this system does essentially is dropping value, right? Literally giving my strategy, my game plan to my potential clients for them to basically just use it, take it, and implement that system so that I can work right away, generating leads and new customers to grow their business, right? So they go through my BCL system, they can literally just take the game plan, but they still, at the end of the presentation, obviously, I give them the option to schedule a call with me and just have my team take care of it for them. And so they go through and watch this whole video of this presentation, and they still decide to schedule a call with me and have my team do it for them. So I would say probably in the past year to year and a half, I really haven't been prospecting, because all the clients that has been coming into my agency has been through just organic, right? Through just creating content, dropping content here and there, and people just finding me through organically, obviously with referrals as well. But as far as like cold emails and just cold outreach, I have not done that for like the last year to year and a half. I do plan on going back to that and running paid ads and stuff like that, because we are in the phase of transitioning into scaling the agency, right? But in the past year and a half, zero outreach, I would say. A lot of just inbound leads coming in through just personal brand. So I would say this is actually the number one way to consistently grow your business, is if you can build a personal brand that somebody can trust and consume, right? So the more that they can consume of your content, the more clients you're gonna get. So don't stop dropping content. It does take time, but the sooner you start, the sooner your personal brand is gonna be able to grow, and the more audience you're gonna be able to reach. So hopefully this video has been helpful to you. Let me know if you have what your thoughts are, questions are in the comment section. As always, drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Jordan. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.